Hello guys, welcome to Innovative Beast. In this video we are going to learn how we can actually delete the click to tweet account. In the previous video we discussed how it works and all that stuff. So some people found it helpful, some may not. So if you want to delete your account, here is how you can do it. Go to the click to tweet website, open your browser and type in browser click2tweet.com. Okay. And here on dashboard, go to account, my account, scroll down, you will find an option says delete my account. Click on that. It will again ask you for confirmation because this action cannot be undone. That means once you delete the account you won't be able to recover it. So click delete my account and that's it, the account is gone. But this is a simple way, but not the secure way. So let me show the secure way. What I need to do is sign in again because I have deleted my account. Now we are on the dashboard again. What we need to do is go to Twitter. Once you delete the account from here, the account is deleted from the click to tweet server, but the applet that we approved in the previous tutorial, it is still accessible to the data. So let's remove it first. Click on more and then click on settings and privacy. Here go to apps and sessions and find out the click to tweet application. Scroll and here it is. Click on this and revoke the access. Once you revoke the access, it will not be able to grab the data that it asked for while creating the account. Close the Twitter and now go to my account and follow the same procedure to delete your account. This is the safest way to delete the account. Click on delete my account and then again delete my account. That's it, the account is now safely deleted. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, suggest me some more tools like this in comment section and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.